Hey traders, Mike from msonehundred.com here with you. Before we get in the daily chart, I just want to let you guys know what I'm holding right now. I'm holding ABX, ELN, UYG, RIMM, SLV, ONNN, and I'm also holding. No, that's it. Those are my holdings for right now. I'm liking the action in silver. I'm going to take some of that off. I'm looking to take ELN off pretty soon too, and I'm definitely loving the action on ON. ON was not on the weekend watch list, but I did post it on the video that I put up on YouTube last night. Now we're going to take a look at the SPY daily chart and see what we see happening here in the markets. Alright, so today we had the Dow Jones up 115 points, the Nasdaq up 30 points, the S&P up 15, and the VIX down slightly by 0.36 points. Now, as I said in my video, my weekend analysis video, I was looking for the market to push a little higher here, and today we closed the day out on the SPY at 100.53. And right now we are actually trading 100.53. So that so we're trading right around the same area that we closed out the day at right now in the after hours. Just looking at this chart here, notice this trend line I drew here in yesterday and last night, how I was connecting the highs here. And look at this, we came down today and actually touched it perfectly and bounced back up and shot up to the high. So that was a nice trend line that we did draw in there. Now taking a look at this chart, we did have some decreasing volume here, and our stochastics, our MACD, and the RSI are still looking good. I'm liking here how we're still in the overbought on the stochastics. On the MACD, we're still pushing up, and we're still making new highs here on the RSI as we're making new highs in the market. Now, when I was going over my video last night, I told you I was looking for 1007 as possible resistance level, and then I was looking for somewhere around 1050. So if we do break 1007, I am looking for 1050. I'm just loving this bullish move here in the market. I'm just loving it. A lot of the fund managers are still getting into stocks because they're afraid we're going to miss the move. It may not be a fundamental move that we're seeing in the markets. It may just be chasing after it. But hey, bulls make money, bears make money, but pigs and hogs get slaughtered. If we do see any type of pullback in this market, what I will be looking for, first I'll be looking for a test of this trend line, and I'll also be looking for a test of these highs over here. These highs are at 98.40. So if we test this trend line or we test 98.40, might be a good area to buy here on the daily chart. And if we do break through that, then we're going to look for somewhere around 95.55 on the SPY as another buy area. And if we do start pulling back here in the next couple of days, we might actually see this moving average, this 20-period moving average, pull up right underneath this 95.55 area on the SPY, and it might give us a two indicator buy signal here, moving average bounce and a bounce on a resistance level. So, but other than that, we did close on the highs. The futures actually made new highs right after the close, and we did see a lot of buying of the banks in the futures pit there. So I'm still looking for us to push a little higher into tomorrow. I would definitely like to see that and just keep extending this move. If we do push a little higher, I probably will unload my ELN, and I'll probably unload some more of my silver. I'm still liking some of the trades here on the watch list. ONNN is looking great. ABX had a nice day, and I am also in RIM right now. I do think RIM does have the ability to push up a little higher. One stock I am looking at, which I'm going to pull up the chart for you right now, is KR, which is Kroger. Let me pull it up for you. This is actually going to be my chart of the day. Here we are on Kroger. We got a nice falling wedge pattern here. Notice how long we've been in this pattern. We're coming up to the top here, approaching a breakout. We're over the 20-period moving average, but we do have some resistance here at the 50 above. I do think we do break out of this pattern in the next couple days, whether we consolidate tomorrow or break out tomorrow. That's a different story. We have some more volume coming in. I'd like to see a nice big volume bar tomorrow, as right here we have the stochastics pushing higher. The MACD tick on the histogram here about to go higher, and the RSI pushing up, and we did get a MACD cross today.